Life is music, basically. That's what it is. I spend virtually my every living hour being in this world. This is actually my home. This is like the place where I live and breathe. So it's really everything for me. Music was always around our house. So I studied Hindustani classical when I was very young. I remember I was maybe 14 or 15 and I saw AC/DC on TV and I was like, that's what I want to get. I want to get that guitar. So for me, to study guitar was like a rebellion because classical music, sometimes it can be a bit rigid. For me, it was always more interesting to break rules rather than follow and conform to a path. And that's how I got interested in improvisation and jazz, because it kind of breaks that rigidity. So the first instrument that I bought was an Ibanez RG560. It was a Paul Gilbert. It was not just a passing fancy, because I was spending easily 5 hours a day just practicing. And then I met my friends Anand and Titu. We formed this band, Chakravyuh, and we just hit it off. The chemistry was great. We just started playing and started jamming, and the whole focus shifted from playing at home to playing with Chakravyuh. Traveled around the country in trains, went to each college festival, won it, all that stuff. And we actually started making money. In those days, it was a lot of money. 30,000 bucks was like a huge amount of money. That time, there was no real career in doing music. It was insane to even say something like that at that point. My plan was really to work for a couple of years, save some money, go off to California to Musicians Institute to study. And I figured the only way I could do that was by scoring music for commercials and movies and stuff like that. I teamed up with Ashu and we started working together. And fortunately, within the first year, we scored 2 feature films. And the second one was Bombay Boys, which became a huge success. Things just completely snowballed after that. I love performing because of the exhilaration you get standing in front of 6,000, 10,000 people. There is nothing like it. The idea really was simple. It was to create something where normal musicians can come and perform their own music. Everybody wrote us off in the first year. They're like, this is not going to work. You guys are crazy to have live music in Bombay. Nobody's going to come. We just opened Delhi, really, really beautiful venue. Hopefully open more venues across the country. I'm actually really excited because I'm at that point now where I've done a lot of different things over the last 5-10 years. Doing different kinds of music, it actually forces you to put on a different hat every day. But now I think I've come to a point where I want to commit to one thing. But it's literally like you're starting over. So I feel like I'm basically starting over right now.